step by step how you as a 45 and over person can create content for brands without being an influencer, having 1 million followers like everybody thinks you need. You just don't. And I'm gonna tell you exactly how to get started. Right now, February 7th or whatever, whenever you're seeing this, save this video. If any part of you is like, I wanna get free products and I wanna work with brands and I wanna get paid for it, but this is not TikTok Shop affiliate. This is not, again, it's not being an influencer. So save this video and we'll get into step by step. This is UGC. I'm going to be telling you to focus on UGC. Now, you could be an influencer if you want, like in a year, whatever, 6 months, it doesn't matter. Even if you want to do TikTok Shop, but maybe you're trying TikTok Shop and you're like, I'm not making any money, or you don't have enough followers to even be qualified to do TikTok Shop. This is the video for you. So with UGC, stands for user generated content, in case you've like never heard of it yet. You get paid as a UGC creator for creating content, much like a TikTok Shop affiliate or influencer would, but you're not required to post it to your own socials. You're just making the content so that you can send it to companies and they could take it and use it for their own marketing purposes. I'll give you like an example that just happened. So my mom is 64. I've shared this story a few times, but I actually pitched to, because I do UGC, my mom does UGC, we mostly do it together, but I pitched this cat litter company and I was like, hey, I want to create UGC for you guys. I want to switch cat litters, blah, blah, blah. And they were like, great, we'll get back to you. And then they were like, hey, okay, we looked at your portfolio, which is like my website where I have all my videos and stuff that I've created for brands, been hired to do. And they're like, they saw my mom because we've done a lot of UGC deals together. And they're like, yeah, we saw your mom on your portfolio. So we do want to work with you, but we only want your mom in the videos if we do work with you. We don't want you, like, we just want your mom. And the reason they told me that is because they've been missing that demographic in the ads they're running. Okay? So that's super important. Just know there are so many companies wanting to hire you if you are, for like some companies want 40 to 50, 50 to 70. Like, it doesn't matter. There's so many companies wanting to work with Gen X, Gen Jones, baby boomers. I know it's a big range, but it's true. And if you've ever even never admitted it, but had it in the back of your head thinking that you're too old to do this, you're not. Your age can and will be your superpower in the UGC space if you allow it to be. Okay, I can't go off on that tangent, but by the way, if you want to tell me your age in the comments, I think it'd be great. I try to do this in most of my videos, but it's super fun to know how old people are and like the people that are wanting to get into this, how old they are. So if you're cool with it, tell me your age in the comments and make sure you save this video if you haven't yet, because I hate when I lose videos. It's just super annoying. So, okay, let's get into UGC and how you can do this. Oh yeah, that's what I was gonna say. I have a free checklist if you want it. There's been like 80,000 people that have downloaded it. It'll help you get started as soon as today. Beyond this video, to go deeper into like, I can only post so much and say so much in this video. So if you want the free checklist, it's $0. It's in my Stan store in my profile. Okay, step one, I think number one, you need to understand what UGC is. And by understanding, I've explained it to you and everything. The free checklist will explain it. But getting some visuals on what UGC style videos are. Your videos are not going to look like mine, but I do suggest going to my profile. You'll see a pinned video that'll say 3 UGC example videos. One of the videos was the first UGC deal I ever did with my mom. It was like 2 years ago, which is amazing. But she's so great. But it was super fun. It was the first UGC deal we did together. Anyways, go look at those because you'll be able to get like a clear visual on kind of the content you're going to be creating. Okay, that's the first step. Go look at those videos. Maybe after this video. Okay, and then second, you're going to want to create some similar videos like that because you're going to be making a portfolio. Now, you can get started with UGC without a portfolio. It is possible, and the way you could do that is by like going to platforms like Join Brands. That's a good example. Join Brands. You can create profiles. You connect with brands, get paid very little to $0 doing these. But if you want and need that to be your first step to build up some confidence, great. However, and a lot of my students do that, but I think like building a portfolio using products around your home is what I did, what a lot of my students do, and that's going to be like your second step. So what that means is like your portfolio is just one central place that you're going to send to brands. It's a website. You can do this on Canva. If you're in my course, you already know you get access to 7 done for you templates, portfolio templates. It'll save you like 3 hours of your time, a massive headache. Tons of, like most of my students use those templates because they just like, they don't know how to build a website. So if you're in my course and you haven't utilized those yet, please do. I think they're in module 3, I believe, module 2 or module 3. If you're not in my course, I'd love to have you in there. If you have $87 and you want to learn from me, you want step-by-step, you don't want to be confused throughout the process, and you just like want to get going on this, would love to have you in there. Would love it. But at the very least, get the free checklist because it's free. So you want to build a portfolio. What if you have no content, which I didn't have anything to put in a portfolio in 2022 when I got started. I just literally went, I'm not in my house because I'm in Nashville right now, but like I walked around my house and I was like, okay, what can I use to create these UGC style videos to put in a portfolio so that when I do approach a company, I have something to show that's like, oh yeah, she is a content creator. And it doesn't matter that you've never been paid before. It doesn't matter that you've never had brand deals. You're gonna take products. The 2 videos that I got started with, the 2 first ever UGC videos I made were about cat treats that I give my 2 cats. So I did not overcomplicate it, and I suggest you don't as well. So don't overthink it. Don't overcomplicate it. Like if you're really having a hard time creating these example videos, what I want you to do, if you're like, oh my gosh, what do I say? What do I do? What I'm going to invite you to do is go to my UGC portfolios, link to my stand store, look at some of the videos, take one of the videos that I was doing talking about a product that maybe you have the same product or similar product, and I want you to replicate it. This is like weird. People are like, oh, but I can't copy it. Yes, you can. Copy what I did, but in your own way. It's going to be you in the videos. If you want to follow a similar script or say similar stuff, it doesn't matter to me. You're just getting that practice under your belt to have videos to put in your portfolio. I recommend having 4 or 5 videos in your portfolio before you start connecting with brands. That's my opinion, and what most of my students do. So that's what I'll tell you to do. I know it sounds intimidating, but I want you to remember that number 1, your portfolio is an evolving thing. It's not going to be like, oh, I've made my portfolio and it's like a forever thing and I suck at these videos and brands are going to judge me and it's evolving. I've had 5 different versions of my portfolio. You just keep getting better. In your first few videos, like my mom was the same way. Her first video that she sent me, because she took my course, she went through it, learned everything. The first video was the roughest video she's ever, the worst video I would say she's ever done. But the second video, the third video were so much better because she was willing to give herself some grace and keep practicing. This is a new skill, and I want you to be gentle with yourself while also motivated to keep getting better, but give yourself some grace. You're learning an entirely new skill. If you're brand new to content creation, this is a totally new skill. There's going to be a learning curve. Okay. So put yourself back in the student shoes of being, a lot of my students are lifelong learners. Just if you're a lifelong learner, this is a new skill and you just have to teach yourself, or I could teach you, whatever, it doesn't matter. But that's what you're going to do. Make a portfolio. Once your portfolio is complete, you're going to want to put baby boomer UGC creator, Gen X UGC creator, 50 and over content creator, stuff like that, because brands are searching that on Google. And a lot of my students, because they follow my advice, they get found by brands, literally on a Google search. Okay, we're running out of time. Oh my gosh, I'm talking too much. Okay, after the portfolio, you're going to want to connect with brands. Billow, join brands. There's Breakfast. I teach all of this in the course, right? But there's so many platforms you could connect. You could also email and DM companies. Tons of my students have followed my advice. That's how I've landed most of my brand deals. They've done that. You could post your example videos on your social media accounts, even though you're not required to. A lot of the time, they will attract brands, and then you'll start getting emails from brands. So because I'm running out of time, I can't go super deep into any more of this, but these are the steps you need to take to become a UGC creator. 2026 can and will be, if you take it seriously, the year that you work with brands, even without a big following. treat your age like a superpower. Treat your life experiences as the superpowers that they are.